What's up, broskies? Welcome back to another video. I got the 370Z all prepped up. It's all sanded down already. We're gonna get ready to paint it. I'm covering the headlights, the windows. I gotta cover the back window, and then it should be ready to paint. If you guys haven't noticed, I cut the hood up from both sides, and then I installed the bumper. It's all nice and sturdy. It's pretty stiff. Should be good. And then I did some holes on it. I did one on each side. Hopefully all the heat comes out through the hood, and hopefully we don't have any heat soak issues. But yeah, car is almost ready. I'm excited to finally paint it, do a nice makeover. Oh, I also replaced this fender. Shout out to Crown Carbon Crafting. The other one was broken. I think I threw it away already, but we got that on. Took off the tail lights because they were all fucked up. You don't know más. So they're all broken. I got new ones already. I was gonna replace this bumper because it's cut, but la neta, fuck it, it's a drift car. I'm gonna spray it like that. I'm excited to see the car. I've done this car before and you guys loved it, so we're gonna do it again. We're gonna match with our boy Waza, so let's get it. ¿A quién más le gusta escuchar a Luis Miguel? A mí me pone tranquilo, me relaja la pinche mente. Y a ver si no se nos olvida ponerle hardener al clear. For the mosquitoes. ¿Verdad, güey? Alright, broskies. Big Taqua's here. Pinche compa botería nomás.
Ice cream man.
Ice cream man. Paletero man, wait. We got most of the car masked down. We're just gonna clean it up and then should be ready to spray. A ver cómo sale el culero.
Learn about crypto and get paid as you learn with Coinbase Earn. We've paid out over $100 million in crypto rewards since Coinbase Earn launched.
What color is that? Black? Just black. So we're gonna do solid black.
I like that there's a bathtub in the hotel on that right now. I can get in there and soak. Normally I don't sit at home and soak in the tub like I'm in the 1800s. It's nice to be back in a hotel again. I love a hotel. You know, things that
I can't throw flake with this one because of the 1.3 tip. Se atora ahí el pinche flake.
Ice cream man. Oh.
Oh yeah.
Watch the video. Watch the video of the ghost, way.
No, todavía no, güey.
¿Verdad?
Hello, güey.
Hola. Figure it out. Can I come in? Huele a puro culo, güey. I forget this shit. ¿Una llena de acá? Sí, güey. Yeah. Oh, shit! Pues dale. Agua, güey. Make sure you shake it because it looks like it's going down already. Ahí está.
Está saliendo
como que le falta más, ¿no? Como que le falta más glitter, ¿no, güey?
No, como que le falta. Como que le falta.
Hit the floor with it. Oh, don't. You're gonna leave the dirt that way. You're picking up the dirt, güey.
Está saliendo, güey.
¿Tapado? Clogged up, huh? It went down to the bottom and then shake it, fool.
Está saliendo muy straight.
¿Muy qué?
Like straight.
Like shit?
Like straight.
Is that good or bad?
Like that. Like there's no fucking. It's like this is not working or something. Like that.
Ahí está, there you go. There you go. Hey. Como que le faltan dinero, fool.
Esta aquí le salió un chingo, güey.
Yeah, huh? That doesn't look dope, fool.
Le salió un chingo madral ahí, güey. Salió un chingo ahí, güey.
Dale, güey, you good, fool. Dale, güey. Dale, you good, fool.